Welcome back to Financify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable app lock in the bitcoin.com app to keep your wallet secure. Let's get started. First, launch the bitcoin.com app on your mobile device. Once inside the app, tap on the menu icon or the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and look for App Preferences. Inside App Preferences, look for an option labeled App Lock or Enable App Lock. Toggle the switch or select the option to activate it. The app will prompt you to choose a lock method, PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID depending on your device's capabilities. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your preferred lock method. Once the setup is complete, the app will confirm that App Lock is now enabled. You can test it by exiting the app and reopening it to see the lock screen. And that's it. Your Bitcoin.com app is now secured with the app lock. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.